Hi, I'm a food anarchist. I went to the Auckland Seedsavers meeting today. Got a whole lot of things. I won the raffle. See how that goes. The universe gives you what you need, not necessarily what you want. I bought some Maori potatoes. Mamo. And I got a potato in a bucket. That's for the next meeting. I also got a whole lot of seed, a whole lot of seed from the seed banks. It's all heirloom and heritage seed, and yacon. Apparently you can't kill that. Well, I have managed in the past, so I'll give it another go. Yeah, so I'm gonna set up some beds in the Savoy Gardens, specifically to grow seed and take it back to the meeting next time. Remember, food is free, food as medicine, food anarchy.